Well, welcome back. Cryptocurrency has quickly become one of the hottest items for investors in recent years. But with millions of Americans trying to get rich quick, it is also becoming a favorite spot for scam artists.
Joining us now to discuss the rise of cryptocurrency scams is Steve Burness of the Better Business Bureau. Thanks for being here.
My pleasure.
So can you explain why crypto scams are now becoming so common and how big of a problem it is?
Well, the lack of education on consumers on what it is and the lack of governmental regulation really is a breeding ground for scammers. So what happens is the scammers are jumping into this arena because they know that a lot of people are interested. It's hot trends. Celebrities are talking about it. There's fake celebrity endorsements. There's so much buzz about this that nobody knows what to do and nobody completely understands it. But again, the scammers found a way to extract money from you using Bitcoin technology, because you see those ATMs, popping up all over Chicago and Northern Illinois that you can get Bitcoin or transfer Bitcoins to other people pretty quickly.
Steve, how are these scams exactly working?
Well, these scams are basically what we're mostly seeing is on romance scams. So before they would kind of befriend you, the romance scams, and basically tell you that, I need money to, cause I need to visit my mom or I'm sick or something like that. So they started saying they want you to invest in it. So we have a lot of people falling for investing in cryptocurrency because a lot of people heard that a lot of people made a lot of money in a short period of time. But if you don't know about it, I would suggest you talk to somebody first before you get involved in this, because it's really difficult to understand. I really have not yet met a person that understands it all. And that's kind of disconcerting because people have different pieces of information and trying to put it all together is kind of confusing.
So if you fall victim to this, what recourse do you have? It seems to many people who aren't familiar with crypto or Bitcoin that it would just sort of be lost in the Bitcoin world, Is it possible to get your money back?
Unfortunately not. What happens is the scammers take this money and once you send it to them in a digital wallet, it's basically gone. I think consumers need to remember that you don't have the protection as you do in a traditional marketplace like a bank or a credit card company. If something happens, you can lean on them. There's lack of regulation. So what happens if you send somebody the money through Bitcoin, which is digital money, within seconds they can take it out and use it somewhere else and you can't get it back. There's no return policy and you've been scammed. So there's a lot of scams happening. The Better Business Bureau issued our international study today. Let us know about these scams that you're seeing. We try to prevent this from happening to somebody else, but become educated. And the key, though, on the tip-off to rip-off on this one, Dawn, is that they call you saying that you owe money and you got to pay us in 30 minutes or less using Bitcoin. I guarantee you that's a scam.
Ooh, we got to look out for that. Last question for you, Steve. You mentioned how unregulated this industry is to date. Is there any advice that you have for our viewers if they do want to pursue crypto or Bitcoin to do that in a safe way?
You have to find somebody who really knows what they're doing and understands it, whether it be an attorney, be a financial advisor, because there are people out there that understand it, but I haven't met anybody that understands it all. So you really have to get people's different perspective on this. And if you don't know anything about it, just don't buy it. Just investing into it unless you figure out the pitfalls, because a lot of people have been putting fake social media posts saying that these celebrities endorse it. The celebrity did not endorse it. And unfortunately, the people lose thousands of dollars. And we had a woman in Canada recently lost $800,000 to a romance scam recently. So the numbers are astronomical.
Gosh. All right. Steve Burness from the Better Business Bureau. Thank you so much.